Chapters 4 of the Tao Te Ching. The Tao is the essence of life. It is the well that never runs dry. It is the origin of infinity. It is in everything, yet it is nothing. It smooths any sharpness, softens all hardness, relaxes tension, and untangles knots. It glows like a lamp that draws the moth. The Tao exists because it just is. Where it came from is a mystery. It has been this way before the first beginning. Before the beginning of time. It is the mystery that cannot be seen, because the Tao has no beginning nor end.